I rented that dump truck for the whole day, and I intend to use it.
Where'd you get those wig-on threads?
No ice sculpture, no Raquelle! I'm Barbara Millicent Roberts, and I am never late.
Wow, she used her full name. Last time she did that, she climbed Mount Everest in 5-inch heels.
The Mood Matrix. This baby determines your mood and changes the color of your outfit to match.
Who has ever heard of a pink mood?
I'm always in a pink mood.
So hungry. So cold.
Wow, Stacy, you're so brave to spend the night in the wilderness all by yourself.
Are you kidding? I love it out here. Couldn't be more
I sensed tension and came as fast as I could.
We can work this out. Forget it. I'm not going with someone who doesn't respect my privacy. Watch the video I posted online about it.
Harmony, come back! I bought t-shirts, posters, bobbleheads! Can I at least have an autograph?
Sure. It's Rachel, right?
Where have you been? You've been missing for the past 22 minutes.
Yeah, what's up with that?